Ok. Aujourd'hui, mademoiselle, c'est votre l'expression orale section B. Nous ferons l'expression orale section B, c'est votre l'entretien. In your section B, you have to, it is obligatoire, c'est l'obligatoire, il faut que, you have to convince your examinateur. C'est clair, ouais? Now, par
Oui,
exemple,
sir.
this is a sujet, c'est votre document. Demain matin, vous allez faire les sols d'hiver. Mademoiselle, tomorrow morning, vous allez faire les sols d'hiver. It means sols d'hiver is your winter sales, yes. Why? So tomorrow
Oui.
morning, you're going for a winter sale. Why? You're going to do some shopping with winter sales. Vous allez convaincre. Vous allez convaincre. You are going to convince votre ami. Et votre ami, à qui s'appelle votre examinateur. Et votre ami, et votre examinateur. Ouais. So vous allez convaincre. Vous allez convaincre. You have to convince your friend. De ne pas aller à sa séance de sport. De ne pas aller à sa séance de sport le matin pour pouvoir vous accompagner à faire les magasins ensemble. It means vous allez convaincre, mademoiselle, listen to me and understand this document. Vous allez convaincre, you're going to convince votre ami de ne pas aller, not to go to the session of the sports. Maybe your friend, he joined a sports session, séance de sport. Séance de sport, we call it as sports session. So you have to convince your friend not to go to a sports session in the morning, okay? But yes, you should accompany to do this type of shoppings together. You have to, it means you have to convince your friend not to go to the sports session tomorrow, but please come with me to do some faire les magasins, to do the shopping with these together with these sold d'hiver. C'est clair, tell me yes or no. Jashan,
Oui,
c'est
sir.
Oui, monsieur.
why? Why? So let's repeat this one more time. Demain matin, tomorrow morning, vous allez faire les soldes d'hiver. You are going to do from they did some that winter sales, and you are going to do the shopping for the winter sales. Vous allez convaincre, you are going to convince your friend that not to go to the sports session in the morning, but you have to accompany to you, especially to do some shopping together with the salty wear. Now over here, vous allez de partie, c'est la première partie. Présentez-lui le contenu de ce document. You have to present your content of this document. Now, vous devez ajouter les trois idées principales. Mademoiselle, c'est votre première partie. Vous devez ajouter les trois idées principales. You have to add on three main ideas of this. You have to create three main, I will explain to you how you will create. Okay, that you have to explain. C'est clair. Et deuxième partie, essayer de la convaincre.
Sir, could you repeat this, please? Because there was some network problem with me,
Okay, I
so
will.
that's why I can't didn't listen you.
Uh,
Uh,
entire or from the first party?
The document is clear. I have a doubt from first question. Like, what
First point.
should we?
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. One. Okay. So, présentez-lui le contenu de ce document. Mademoiselle, yesterday we have done we pourquoi le sport. Yesterday the topic was pourquoi le sport. And ici, maintenant, vous allez le thème, c'est le sol d'hiver.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
you have to make a content for this sol d'hiver. Sol d'hiver. You to present yourself with the content of this document. I will explain to you how you will present your content. C'est clair?
Yes.
Why?
Oui, sir. Thank you.
Essayez de la convaincre. Don't worry. I understand why we are doing section B again and again, because first day will not calculate exactly. Second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, you come to know why. Now, deuxième partie, essayez de la convaincre. Try to convince your examinateur, your friend, who accompagne. Now, second part is, okay, I'll explain to you in English. In second part, there will be a jeu de role play with your examinator, wherein you have to convince your examinator to please attend this winter sales rather to going to the sports session. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Why? Ruchika?
Right.
Oui.
All right. Now. Now this is the content to leçons commercial, all the center on the commercial. This is the name of the
Saint
commercial
Laurent.
center, where vous invitez à profiter, where you invite and to get a profit of this and advantage of this winter sales. Qui débutant the beginning for 14 janvier 2019 to 19 day from 8 from 8h du matin, from 8 in the morning. Say Claire, this is a content basically, right? In your exam, right? They meilleur d'offres, बहुत सारे offers हैं, there are a lot of offers. The tous les magasins, a lot of shops over there with some offers like Maison, électroménager, mode, fashion, beauty, jeux video games. C'est clair, ouais. De plus bénéficier de promotion jusqu'à 70%. It means, moreover, you will get a benefit of the discount of 70, we have a up to 70% discount jusqu'à 70%. That is up to. We have a discount of up to 20% off, up to 40% off. Why? C'est clair. Mademoiselle,
Oui.
why
Oui,
vous,
sir.
vous comprenez, mademoiselle? Why?
Oui.
Oui, sir.
Okay, so the plus, moreover, there will be a discount of jusqu'à up to till 70% sur des milliards d'articles, like the lot of articles you will get it out of the discount. Okay, faites-vous plaisir, évidemment, vous faites plaisir, enjoy, plaisir, et économiser, is we have economic, because we have discount going on, toujours plus. C'est clair? Why? So
Oui, sir.
now this is your theme for your section B, that as it is you will get in your exam. C'est clair? This is what, c'est votre épreuve. C'est clair? C'est votre épreuve que vous
Oui.
devez expliquer dans votre examen. Now, comment? C'est clair? Présentez-lui le contenu de ce document. Now, c'est la première. Now, how you will go for the first part. Sukman, your question, vous avez le doute, right? You have a doubt.
Oui.
Why? Présentez lui le contenu de ce document. In the first part, mademoiselle, it is just you have to explain three main ideas. You have to come up with your three main ideas. Simple.
Like what we can do while doing shopping, or we can say what type of things we can buy, like
Exactement,
type
mademoiselle.
of imagination we have to present
Yes,
in front of
yes.
them.
Because you have to
Okay.
explain your friend. So
Okay.
say what's your
So
party.
like
Why?
when the sale will start and
Yes,
up to
start from
what?
this and this. You know, we have millions of offers. We can do like this. Nous avons fait beaucoup de choses. C'est clair. Why? Now,
Okay. And so how many lines we need to present? Like it should be of 5 to 6 lines.
the main is your entretien. The main is second party, the same party, second part, wherein there will be a 10 minutes role play.
Okay.
Five
And for
minutes.
the first part, for
And
the
for
first
the
part.
first part, vous devez créer son, c'est la sumo, 100 words is fine. C'est clair. Why? C'est clair.
100 words.
160 words, that's fine. Because it is just you have to present for 2 and 3 minutes. The main thing is your entretien deuxième partie. C'est clair. In your first part,
Yes.
okay, let me explain to you. In your third part, you have to explain three main ideas. C'est clair,
Yeah, in the first part.
which include
We say.
which include uh, uh, 80 words, you know, that c'est bien. C'est clair. Why?
Okay.
Now,
Like as it is in the example, like which you
this
have
is,
shown right
yeah,
now,
this is your
right?
first, mademoiselle, this is your example.
Okay.
Fill up.
And what was the first one?
हाँ,
Like where it was
first,
written तोतले.
okay, listen.
सर ये क्या था फिर जो से पाती लिखा है?
Say part, this is your question.
Okay. Okay.
This is what the
Okay.
question. Say,
Okay.
this is also your question. Why?
Okay.
And yours, this one, say party. This is something like
Okay.
where it is going to be happen, on which timing, in which timing it is going to be happen, right? On the
Okay.
basis of these two documents, these are the two document, one document only.
Okay.
Why? Say Claire.
अभी सर. Now
This
it's clear.
is for explaining, we divide this document. Say Claire. Say,
अभी सर.
now I have to explain, présentez-lui le contenu de ce document. Now, comment on présente? Why? Now, you will say, in publicité, this is your one. This is your one, right? Une publicité à but lucratif. An advertisement objective is to lucrative, right?
Lucrative.
Why? For promouvoir promotion, for the promotion of winter sales, and you know we have a place of the centre commercial. Yeah, this is you can take from here. C'est clair. Why? Or either it will be
Yes.
on your own way. Why? Like how you can present first part, like this way you can present. Then you will say idée principale. The main ideas kya hai? The main thing. Information sur le lieu. You have in it means you have to inform. You have to explain like what is the place, right? On which date it is happening. Okay, what the timing for this, and what things you will get about in promouvoir, and what are discounts, major discounts up to 70% in different of articles. Say Claire, these things you have to explain. That's it. Can you do that? Why?
Oui.
Like information sur le montant de promotion, le type d'enseigne présente au sein de promotion, proposer le magasin pour la décoration intérieure et extérieure, prêt à porter, cosmétique, électroménager. C'est clair. C'est clair.
Yes. So like you have added 3 points. Like these are the 3 points which you have added in the first part. Can we add like what type of
Yes,
how
we
much discount is? What is the
Exactly.
discount on the products?
Yes,
Okay.
you can make it your own way. I'm saying yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Why? You can create your premiere party, and this
Okay.
is your task also. Like you
Okay.
came to know, right? Take the screenshot of this, please. Mademoiselle, take the screenshot of this.
Okay.
Did you take it?
Oh,
No, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
You have taken? Why?
Okay. Yes.
I will send
Yes.
WhatsApp group also the same. I will share the in the WhatsApp group also. Okay.
Okay.
And this is your when you can get an idea. Your first part, how how we can do the first part. These things will give you an idea about your first part. Say Claire. Why?
Oui, sir. Oui.
Say Claire.
Oui, sir. Now it's clear.
Now the question arises in your second part, wherein you have to convince your examinateur. C'est clair. Vous allez convaincre votre examinateur. C'est clair. Why? Tell me yes and no. Why, mademoiselle?
Oui, sir.
Now, you tell me what is your convincing part? Your convincing is like you have to tell your examinator, your friend, because he's your friend, they know to go to the session, sports session. You please come and join with me tomorrow in the winter sales. We will go for a shopping. Say Claire. Why?
Oui, sir.
Now,
Oui.
because you are raising a question, okay, first say Claire, then you will say to your friend, or either you can make it your own way. Why? For me, I'm saying Viondra too. Will you come to Viondra? Viondra too avec moi on sol d'hiver? Tell me yes and no. Tell me yes and no.
Oui,
Mademoiselle,
sir.
the first question I will ask to my examinateur, what? Viendras-tu avec moi
Oui.
en sol d'hiver? Tell me yes and no.
Oui, sir.
C'est clair?
Oui, sir.
Right?
C'est clair.
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Ruchika, repeat it please.
Oui. Viendras-tu avec moi au sol d'hiver?
Very good. Will you come with me? Tu viendras. Have you done future for venir verb? You know?
Oui, venir. To come.
Viendra. Why? So I'm asking, Viendra now. Sukman, you are examinator, and Ruchika, you have to convince. Okay?
Okay.
Vous êtes, si you are, okay, étudiant. Vous êtes l'étudiante, et vous allez convaincre votre examinateur. C'est clair? Okay.
Oui.
Now, you tell just Sukman, viendras-tu avec moi en sol d'hiver? Why, Jashan?
Oui.
Okay.
Viendras-tu avec moi au sol d'hiver?
Okay, because yes, you are examinator. Why? What you will say, Sukman? Okay, ça,
Okay.
ça dépend. Répétez après moi. Ça dépend. That depends. Either you
C'est
can say
dépend.
your own way. Ça
C'est
dépend.
dépend sur. C'est dépend sur la situation. Or
Exactement.
no?
Exactement. Because you have to understand one thing. You are going to attend your session
Oui.
or session tomorrow, right? Why?
Yes.
And you can say like this, Sukman, je n'ai pas le temps.
Parce que
Je n'ai pas le temps. Why? Speak
je n'ai
after
pas le
me.
temps.
Je n'ai pas le temps.
Je n'ai pas le temps.
C'est clair. Why?
Oui, sir.
C'est clair.
Oui.
Then you will say, Ruchika, vous obtiendrez, you will get beaucoup de choses pourraient être dans votre intérêt. Pourrait. Pourrait is your, we have pouvoir verb. Have you done pouvoir verb?
Pouvoir. Oui.
Why? You will say,
Can.
yes, could.
Good.
Why? You will say, you will get a lot of things. Vous obtiendrez beaucoup de choses pour être. Because why I'm using pour être? Because we are raising a question that might be in your interest. Pour être, peut-être, via peut-être, it may be, might be. Pour être dans votre intérêt, in your interest. Because you have to convince your examinator. So what are you saying, Ruchika? Vous obtiendrez beaucoup de choses pour être dans votre intérêt. C'est clair. Why?
Vous obtiendrez beaucoup de choses pour être dans votre entrée.
Intérêt. Intérêt. C'est clair. Why?
Oui, sir.
Why?
Oui.
Then you will say, mademoiselle. Sukhman, you will say, no. Ce n'est pas possible pour moi. Répétez après. Non, ce n'est pas possible pour moi. Repeat it like,
No.
ce n'est pas possible.
No. C'est pas possible pour moi.
Why? I need to go to my sport class, which I have already paid. Why? I don't know. So you will say, j'ai besoin d'aller à mon cours de sport. J'ai besoin d'aller.
Sir, could you repeat the line which you which you have asked me to speak? No. After no, what you have said.
No. C'est pas possible.
C'est pas possible. Okay.
Why? Okay. In English you want? Okay.
No, it's okay, sir. I know. I forgot.
Okay. Why? J'ai besoin d'aller à ma cour. J'ai besoin d'aller à mon cours.
J'ai besoin d'aller à mon cours de sport qui j'ai déjà payé.
Yes.
Je ne sais pas.
Déjà payé. Je ne sais pas. C'est clair. What I would say, Sukhman. Why?
Oui, sir. C'est clair.
Now you will say, Ruchika, you will say, yes, if you will come with me, you will surely get something best. Because you can say like on way. Why? You say, si, tu viens avec moi, or you can say, tu viendras, you can say, or you can say, tu viens avec moi, tu obtiendras sûrement quelque chose de mieux. Okay. C'est clair.
Si tu viens avec moi, tu obtiendras sûrement quelque chose de mieux.
Tu obtiendras sûrement quelque chose. Ab sûrement ko you have to stretch. You have to souligner, highlight karna hai, because you have to convincing. Si tu viens avec moi. Yes.
Si tu viens avec moi, tu obtiendras sûrement quelque chose de mieux.
The mieux. Why? Then you will say what? आप बोलोगे no, I am not in a hurry of to buy something else. I don't want to buy the clothing and all the things. You can say, I do not buy the clothing and all these things. One second, yeah? 1 second. All right. Sorry, je suis vraiment désolé, mademoiselle.
Pas de problem, sir.
All right. Then you will say, can I clear this? Because I don't have space now.
Sir, could you send us this whole document?
I will. Don't worry. I will send it to you on the WhatsApp. Why?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Let me copy paste then because I need to send a WhatsApp. Let me copy and paste in somewhere. Okay. Say behind pasted. And I can clear this. Why? Okay. Now. Okay. Now where we were like, I do not want to buy any vêtements and something. Why? And I am not in a hurry to buy. C'est clair. Okay. You can say anything. You say, je ne vais pas acheter des vêtements. Why? You can say like simple, you can say like because you're examinator. Why? So the main thing, Ruchi has to convince you. Ruchi, your point will calculate, right?
D'accord.
Because you are vous êtes
Étudiant.
élève. Vous êtes, you are élève. Why? C'est clair. Why, Ruchi?
D'accord. Oui, oui.
Then you will say, but apart from this, Ruchi, you will say, you will get a lot of things. For example, beauty cream, electronic items, which can create a happiness in your life. Maybe. Because you are élève, c'est clair. You
Oui,
say,
oui.
mais, apart cela, apart from this, okay, vous obtiendrez beaucoup de choses. Par exemple, une crème de beauté, un article électronique, etc., qui peuvent créer un bonheur dans votre vie. Can we say that?
Oui.
Why?
Oui, sir.
Speak up then.
Mais à part cela, vous obtiendrez beaucoup de choses. Par exemple, une crème de beauté,
Mhm,
un article électronique,
mhm,
etc.
mhm.
qui peut créer, qui peut créer un bonheur dans votre vie.
Yes, qui peuvent créer un bonheur dans votre vie. Why? They'll say, Sukman, you're examining.
Yes.
I don't require these things in my apartment. You say, I keen focus about my sports only. You can say, I keen focus. I don't require about all these things. Say Claire. So what do you say? You can say, mm-hmm. 1 second. Oh shit. Chalo, no problem.
Can you say like this, sir? Je n'ai pas l'interesse dans
You
the
see, I'm
produit
telling you,
do
I'm giving you my
cosmetic.
exact Mademoiselle. I'm giving you my idea, right? You can create your own idea.
Yes, sir.
It is just these.
No, I was asking like about tenses. Like, is it the good phrase?
Yes,
Like
I'm
which
not
what I
interested
can
for
use?
this. You can say like this. Je n'ai pas. You can say you can say like anything. Je n'ai pas besoin de choses dans mon appartement. I don't
Dans
require
mon
this thing in my
apartment.
apartment. Je
Oui,
suis
sir.
passionné क्योंकि आपको स्पोर्ट भी तो लेके आना है ना सुखमन. Je
Oui,
suis
sir.
passionné
Yes, sir.
par mes sports.
Parties.
Which I'm looking forward. Vis which I'm aiming for. Vis aim. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C'est
It's
clair.
good. Oui, sir.
Okay. Okay. And then you will say, where we were? No, okay. So you can say, you can buy, then Ruchika, you will say you can buy in very cheap price. For example, you require shoes for doing sports because yes, you are just trying to convince her. Ruchika, your mental level has to be very strong about this, right? Because you have to convince your examinator.
I can also say you can buy your sports clothes.
Yes, you can buy a sport because oh, you can say like anything, right? So you can say, simple. You can say, vous pouvez acheter, okay, à des prix très bons. Marché, par exemple, vous aviez besoin de chaussures if you required. You required the shoes, chaussures pour faire du sport. C'est clair. Ouais? Vous pouvez acheter, okay, à des prix très bon marché. It means in the very best, you know, you can buy,
Price.
okay?
I can use vous here, no problem.
You can use tu, huh? You can use tu also.
Vous means it's formal, informal. He's my friend.
You can use tu also because this is your informal I'm just using vous. You can use tu also because this is your role play with your examinator, but examinator is your friend.
Friend, yeah.
There will be an informal conversation, yes. Say clair. Why, mademoiselle? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Why? Okay. Then. Then you will say, it's quite natural. I know that. Huh? Say normal. But you will say,
Oui, sir.
or either because I am examinator, I go, say normal. It's quite natural. Je ne peux pas acheter quelque chose. No, I don't know to buy. C'est clair? Why?
Oui, sir.
So, Sukhman, Ruchika?
Je ne veux pas de quelque chose.
Ah,
I
exactly.
will say that.
Yeah, exactly. You can say like anything. Because main role for Ruchika, because Ruchika is élève. C'est clair.
Even I can show positive attitude also. Like, sir, like I will think about it.
Yes.
Je vais pas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. C'est clair.
Oui, sir.
Then Ruchika will say, but take out some time. Some time so that you can buy your bread and butter, a daily routine product from this thing. अब वो रुचिका उसमें आ गए हैं कि एटलीस्ट चल तू ब्रेड बटर तो खाती होगी ना, वही ले लो. अब वो बोलेंगे
मैं ये भी बोल सकती हूँ कि अगले मंथ तुम्हारी मम्मी का बर्थडे आ रहा है, गिफ्ट ले लो.
कुछ भी कह सकते हो. Yes.
Yeah.
C'est votre anniversaire de votre mère. Buy quelque chose.
Vous pouvez acheter quelque chose pour votre mère. Oui.
Le cadeau. Ouais. C'est clair. Anything. You can say, mais prenez pas de temps pour pouvoir acheter du pain, du beurre, un produit de routine quotidienne.
Routine quotidienne.
Ouais. C'est clair. Then,
Oui, sir.
Sukhman will say, now, I'm very busy in my office. I'm very tired. So much more over from tomorrow, weekend, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I will explain to you. J'ose explique. What you will say, Sukhman, to
Oui, sir.
I do not have time, you know, you lose a lot of time. I will say, je suis très occupé dans mon bureau et je me fatigue tellement de demain, from tomorrow till weekend. Oh, weekend. C'est clair. Let me write it down. You will say, je suis très occupé.
Je suis très occupé dans mon bureau et je me fatigue tellement de plus domaine au week-end.
Exactement. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
फिर आप ये
Sir,
आप
weekend की जगह पे instead of weekend, can we use fin de semaine? Like we can use.
बिल्कुल yes,
Usually we use.
हाँ, exactement.
You okay?
Why? Or either you can say what I would say, Sukhman, j'ai payé
Yes, sir.
la séance de sport. I already paid for the sport session.
Qui me met en forme. L'après-midi.
C'est clair.
Oui, sir.
You can use your own way, I would say. C'est clair.
Yes. Oui, sir.
C'est clair. Why?
Oui, sir. Oui.
Now, Ruchika, you have to convince, right? ये ध्यान रखना कि आपको कन्विंस, आपको हटना नहीं है जब तक आपको एग्जामिनर नहीं बोले okay. You then, or either you can say, then you will say, Ruchika, अरे come on, you have to change your lifestyle. Hello, क्या ऑफिस लगा रखी है? You have to change lifestyle. I will call you tomorrow, okay? And you will tell me and take your decision. Say clear. Ruchika, ये चीजें यूज करनी है. ये जो लास्ट लाइन है ना, ये वाली चीज, you have to change your lifestyle, a bit lifestyle. जहाँ पे convince की बात आ रही है कि buying something, anything, then you have to say like this. आपको पता लगेगा कि भाई अब ये convince नहीं हो रहे हैं. ठीक है? Now you came to know कि वो अब convince नहीं हो रहे हैं. Right? Then what you will say? You will say, okay, I will call you tomorrow and tell me your decision. क्योंकि आप रुक नहीं सकते हो. You cannot stop yourself in examination. Say clear.
वही.
आप यही बोलोगे ना कि अब देखो आपने कितना अच्छा बोला कि मदर का बर्थडे आ रहा है. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे डोंट यू लव योर मदर. हर कोई मदर से प्यार करता है. फिर समझोगे कि यार मैं दे दूंगी अपने आप, तुझे क्या है. फिर आप बोलोगे ओके अब तो ये हो ही नहीं रहा कुछ भी, और आपको रुकना नहीं. जहां रुक गए गेम खत्म है. आपको ये चीजें बता रहा हूँ जो आपको नहीं रोकेंगी. आपको ये चीज बोलनी है. फिर अब tu dois changer ton point de vie et je t'appellerai. I will give you a call back. Je t'appellerai Demain matin, okay, et tu me téléphoneras ta décision. And you tell me your decision on the telephone. C'est clair.
Oui.
Why?
Oui, sir.
उससे क्या होगा, अब आपके एग्जामिनेटर पे एक सारी गेम आ जाएगी. C'est clair.
Oui.
Why? Then you will say, not possible for me. I will sports till I will do sports. Then you can say like this, no, 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 no. Ce n'est pas possible pour moi. ठीक है, कुछ भी आपने बोलना होगा. ठीक है, जो भी आपने बोलना होगा, क्योंकि सुखमन is for role play for a teacher, so example can say like anything. Okay. तब रुचिका क्या बोलोगे? आप कन्विंस करोगे, फिर से आप बोलोगे, but yes, sports make you cool. आप सुखमन को कूल करोगे कि भाई स्पोर्ट्स मेक यू कूल एंड calm. You can do that because you are a sport person. You are supportive. You are a sportive. You are a sport person. Will meet and definitely will enjoy. Please say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Ruchika,
D'accord.
why? So you can say like
Yes.
this. Now this is the second part basically, right? Deuxième partie. You will say मैं. Why?
But
Le sport
this
rond. Rond होता है to make, to come back. Rond, rond verb. Le sport vous rend. Le sport